Hey guys, this is the PC, this is a tester, and this is my inventory. Sometimes I carry with me, but sometimes help, really help in the need. So this one is wheel, and this thing is crafter, VW crafter. The main problem with this thing is one day I switch on the key and I got a light. I mean, not this one, not this light, you know, I mean this one. So I will show you how to solve this thing. First of all, you have to check everything. You have to check all this for the passenger, for this, and I go to this one, and I got one of these, you know, Chinese, and you put it right in. So let's put this thing right in and see what's going on, what he wants. It doesn't fit, try it the other way. The second thing up is to open VCDC and see what is going on. So try to select the controller. This is a 2009 old Crafter 2.5 engine, so we choose LT3, and I'm gonna choose the airbag. What's going on? And just wait for a while, and we choose faulty code. And the main problem I see, it is active and stored. The error is active. So one of the things is that something, or this where one of these is not working properly. So because you don't have to see active, so I test them all of these, and I want to test this one, you know. First of all, you see this is a cable going on, and right now I'm going to close everything down, go back, close controller, go back, exit, and switch off the ignition, and I will pull this thing, you know, this thing, I'll pull it off. You see it? It's got two cables going to this one, and there is another one. We need to check if this one it's okay. So first we put to ohm, and we got these two, you know. This one is go to ohm. This is 200 ohm, 2000 and 20 kilo ohm. So if you see nothing, then you switch to 200. So I'm gonna test this thing if it's working properly. But you know, with one hand it's kind of hard to do it. So I don't know how to do it and show it to you. Yeah, gosh, that's really hard. But let me put this one here, and you connect these two. Let me show you. Like this, and you connect, because you need two hands. And as you see it, oops, is 0 0.7. It got actually it got oops 0.6 ohm. That means this thing is broken. So what I'm going to do it next step is, since I carry this one with me, sometimes I put some resistance here, some you know, like engineer, and I got one of these. It's say 3 ohm. Let me show you. With one hand is really hard to do it, and I got 3 ohm resistance. It's 2.9, and lucky I got this kind of resistance. So what I'm going to do it, I'm going to put this resistance, because I have no choice. I'm on the street and I need to go, but if I go stopped by police, I'm gonna be in big trouble, because they could take you the, you know, I'll put like this, a resistance, you know, oops, yeah, like this, because this thing is broken. That's it, kaput. And I'm gonna switch on the ignition and see what's going on. The main problem on the crafter old, the arrow doesn't go. So we open again the VCD and see if it's stored, it's not active. And go to LT3, go to Airbag, see faulty code, and you see it's stored. The active is not anymore. And if I'll press clear, the light will go and will not come on, because the thing is broken. But I'm on the street, and the main problem, I only have a resistance. I need to move, and the only way I could fix this at the moment is kind of risky, because I don't know what thing really do it in case of accident or anything. I will keep the resistance, and when I get a chance, I'll buy new thing, buy new one of these, and replace it. So yeah, this is a simple, easy way to fix things, but it's not secure. I'm not encourage nobody to this kind of stuff, but just see yourself, you know. First, test if this thing is good. You know, if you connect these two wire, these two, you know, like put to ohm, and you connect it and you see nothing, this mean the thing is broken. And this is the way how to find out and to solve this small problem. Hope this video helps someone. Also, you could you know, get one of these, because they're quite cheap. You know, I paid about 15 euros for this thing. You can install this application, everything you could set up on a virtual machine. You could do it on Oracle virtual machine. you do not install everything, all the VCD drivers on your main computers. So you don't need to have a main computer, just a separated computer just for the car, because you bought a car and you pay computer, you pay the tax, you pay the gas, you pay everything. You don't need this. So if you want to set up, you just set up a virtual machine and push everything to virtual machine, and you see it's working, because you see I got 2 windows, and you see I go, this is my window, and the second windows is this one, and I still have it, my main system. I still have my computer. I can do everything on it. So hope this video helps someone. If you don't care a box like this with 3 ohm resistors if you got an airbag, then you need to run in the city and find a 3 ohm resistance. Okay, bye bye.